Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best distilling equipment is probably one of the most fascinating hobbies you can get into, allowing you to create your own spirits from scratch. But with so many options available, choosing the right equipment can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about selecting the best distilling equipment, ensuring you can safely and effectively produce high-quality spirits at home. Number 5. TCP Global 190 Micron Paint Strainer, 50-pack. Introducing the TCP Global Paint Strainer, designed to keep your paint pristine. This product eliminates any unwanted particles that could ruin your finish. It's the perfect solution for a flawless paint job. Each strainer features an ultrafine 190-micron filter tip. This ensures that even the smallest particles are caught, providing a clean and smooth application. This will make sure your paint job is perfect. These strainers are suitable for all types of paints and liquids, whether solvent or water-based. From automotive coatings to house paints, it handles them all. You can use it for various projects. They work great for automotive coatings, including primers and clear coats. It's also effective for house, hobby, and craft paints. This makes it a versatile tool for any painting project. The strainers feature a durable, lint-free blue nylon mesh. They also have a quick flow tip and thick paperboard to prevent bleed-through. This ensures a smooth and efficient painting experience. Get a pack of 50 strainers, ensuring you have plenty for all your projects. This bulk pack offers great value and ensures you're always prepared. This will save you time and money. What we like. These paint strainers offer ultrafine filtration, ensuring a smooth finish by removing any impurities. If you're working on automotive projects or detailed crafts, this is a must-have. It will save you time and effort by preventing clogs and imperfections, making your paint jobs flawless. What people say. Works perfectly as described. Filters like a filter should. Paper is strong even when wet. Actually, the fact the mesh is blue is actually even more helpful for straining urine and makes looking for the stone even easier. Number 4. COZ4L Stainless Steel Water Distiller. This water distiller by COZ is perfect for your home. It purifies water, removing impurities, and dissolving VOCs. It provides you with clean water easily. This distiller provides 2 ppm water for various uses. You can use it for drinking, coffee machines, humidifiers, and more. It's versatile and convenient. The container is made of 304 stainless steel for durability. It also has an automatic shut-off feature when the temperature gets too high. This ensures safe operation. Cleaning is simple with the included powder. Clear instructions guide you through the process. This helps you maintain cleaner water for a long time. The interior is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel. It's resistant to high temperatures and corrosion. This makes it easy to clean and long-lasting. What we like. This water distiller provides purified water for various uses, from drinking to appliances. It's made of durable stainless steel and features automatic shut-off for safety. If you are looking for a reliable source of clean water for your home or office, this is a great choice. It ensures you have access to pure, contaminant-free water. What people say. The still is well made and the welds are clean. The product is easy to assemble and use. The thermometer is accurate. Number 3. Greenpeace Charcoal Filters, 12-pack. Introducing the Greenpeace Charcoal Filter Sachets, designed to enhance your water distillation process. These filters are an easy upgrade for cleaner, better-tasting water. They are compatible with most countertop water distillers. Each sachet contains more activated charcoal than standard filters. This allows for stronger absorption and longer-lasting odor and taste reduction. You may find that it replaces the need for 2 smaller filters. Made with premium coconut shell activated carbon, this product helps reduce chlorine smell, VOCs, and unwanted tastes. The result is water that is fresh and pleasant to drink. You'll notice the difference immediately. Installation is incredibly simple, requiring no tools. Just rinse the sachet with distilled water and place it in the funnel. For best results, replace it once per month to maintain optimal filtration. Proudly made in the USA using 100% natural coconut shell charcoal. These eco-friendly, chemical-free filters are safe for everyday use. It is ideal for home water distillation, ensuring your water is clean and pure. What we like. These activated charcoal filters improve the taste and remove odors after distillation, ensuring a fresh and pleasant drinking experience. If you like to enhance the quality of your distilled water, these filters are perfect. They are easy to install and made in the USA, giving you peace of mind. What people say. These are well-made, easy-to-use, charcoal filters for your electric water distillers. These are great, no weird aftertaste when I use them in my water distiller and way cheaper than the ones from the actual company. This goes in the outspout of the distiller. To get any odd smells out of the water. Leaves it clean and fresh. Number 2. VEVOR 3-gallon alcohol still distiller kit. This distiller offers a 3-gallon fermentation capacity, perfect for making your favorite spirits at home. It's ideal for family gatherings and parties, allowing you to create a variety of drinks. All parts are made from food-grade silicone, stainless steel, and copper, ensuring safety and quality. The materials are designed to withstand the distillation process, providing a reliable experience. The open cooling method and copper coil ensure rapid thermal conductivity. This helps to lower the distillation temperature, and a water pump is included to save water. A real-time thermometer on the lid allows for easy monitoring of the temperature. The thumper keg is designed to help with secondary distillation and adding flavors. Food-grade silicone tubes provide flexibility and a good seal. The lid features 4 buckles and a silicone gasket for a tight seal. A one-way exhaust valve is also included for fermentation. You can use it to make whiskey, wine, brandy, rum, tequila, vodka, and more. The thickened bottom is compatible with various heating methods, offering flexibility in how you use it. What we like. This alcohol still offers a sufficient capacity and rapid cooling for efficient distillation. It also includes a built-in thermometer for easy monitoring. If you're into home brewing and want to make whiskey, wine, or brandy, this is the ideal kit. It provides everything you need for a successful distillation process. What people say. The still is well made and the welds are clean. The thermometer is accurate. The product works as advertised. Number 1. Cherish XT 500 ml glass distiller kit. Create your own essential oils with this professional kit. It includes everything you need for distillation, all made with high-quality materials. This set makes it easy to meet your needs. The flasks are made of 3.3 borosilicate glass, hand-blown and polished for a perfect fit. This ensures durability and precision in your experiments. The set is designed for a worry-free experience. This distillation apparatus can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees. It's perfect for organic chemistry labs and various distillation processes. The high-quality production ensures it can handle demanding experiments. The glass has a very small coefficient of thermal expansion. This means it can handle significant temperature changes without issue. This feature ensures the safety and reliability of your experiments. The glass offers excellent transparency, allowing you to clearly observe the distillation process. This feature enhances the user experience and provides clear visibility. It is a great tool for both beginners and professionals. The glass also provides good electrical insulation, ensuring safety during use. This feature adds an extra layer of protection. This makes it a reliable choice for various experiments. What we like. This distiller is designed for making essential oils, with high-quality borosilicate glass. It also offers good thermal stability, making it safe for high-temperature experiments. If you are interested in creating your own essential oils or conducting chemistry experiments, this is the perfect kit. It provides all the necessary components for safe and effective distillation. What people say. Used as a functioning prop for a performance as Comte de Saint-Germain and Alchemy. Perfect addition to the performance. This is a great kit to start with when learning chemistry and how to extract oils. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.